Rotate the gear to make the kit stand steady. Put on the epoxy boards. These are our EVE-NEW studs 280K battery cells. Test the cells, make sure they are consistent. Stick on the EVA tapes. Put the cells following the picture. If your cells are swollen, we do not recommend sticking on the EVA tapes. Fasten the fuse holder. Fasten the top bracket. Put on the terminals. Fasten the adapter board. Fasten the bracket. Fasten the BMS. Put on the PCB boards. Connect the cells with bus bars. Use 7N.M torque. Connect the flexible bus bars. Use our high-quality CNL 250A fuse. Connect the BMS wires. Connect the adapter board with BMS. Connect the switch. Two types of the LCD screens. Put on the button caps. Connect the LCD screen. Fasten the outside screws.
Download the app. Account admin password 111111. Connected. You can set up the system now. Password 111111.
Check more information on our website.